Hello everyone, in this video, let's learn how to program and control LED with Arduino with button. Let's first introduce the working principle of the button. Experimental principle. Introduction of button. Button is one of the most common input devices. When the button is pressed by an external force, the pin 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the button will be connected together, and the circuit will be connected. When the external force is released, the pin 1 and pin 2 of the button will be connected together. Pin 3 and pin 4 will be connected together. Button and other components can be used together to achieve many functions. Its operation is intuitive and effective. Many operations need to be controlled by button, so almost all electronic devices retain the design of button. Working principle of button. We control the LED by judging the state of the GPIO port connected to the button. Since the Arduino I/O port can work as an output mode to light up the LED, it can also work as an input mode to detect the high and low levels of the I/O port. If the program detects that the GPIO pin connected to the button is low, it means that the button has been pressed, indicating that we have lit the LED. If the GPIO pin connected to the button is detected to be high, indicating that button has been released and we have turned off the LED. Experimental circuit diagram. We connect the circuit according to the wiring diagram and the schematic diagram. Pay attention to the difference between VCC and GND when connecting the circuit, as shown in the following figure. First, we connect pin 3 of the button to pin 2 of the Arduino with a wire, and connect the VCC of the LED to the 11 pin of Arduino with another wire. In setup, we set the button to input mode and LED to output mode. In the loop function, if the pin of the button is detected to be low, it indicates that the button is pressed, and then the pin connected to the Arduino and LED will be set to high level. If the pin of the button is detected to be high, it means that the button is released, and the pin connected to the Arduino and the LED will be set to low level.